We'll add this particular thing. Definitely. I'm in the order page as of now. Click continue in payment detail page. And now I have to confirm. Once I went this, I have to confirm. So here is my order ID. Okay. Okay. So now save it and hit click order button. Okay. Now let me just check the steps check. Okay, this is the message you should get. So I should get this particular response. Okay. Okay, guys. So we had done almost, and we are about to complete this particular script. Now, so once you do this thing, okay, my orders, just a second, my accounts, my orders, and when we go to the last, we we must find. So there is a lot of order ID. Now today's date is 28, so we have to go to 28 first. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll run till this, and then we're able to product. Yeah. So first this, we'll find out we are getting any kind of errors or not while compilation. If not, now replay this. Almost we are about to complete the script. Oh, see this, guys. Okay, this is the way I was telling. Random number 0 I'm getting. Okay, we'll just, what I'll do, random, just copy this plus equals to 1. Now let us just run one more time. I guess we don't get any error now. See, everything is fine now. And we are able to capture this. So just go to this response, output, close it once. Okay, guys. mm, What I need to do first, let us confirm from the snapshot whether I am getting the particular response as well. So I'll select single, replay, and I have to find out the order ID. Copy this, as it will be very hard to find here, and copy this in any notepad file and try finding out anything. And I might have given Robert Johnson. So with that particular name also it should come. See, it took my name. This is the way you can parameterize. When different users, you can provide different name. Whatever you want, you can do the changes. Ordered. Okay, we are not getting any order ID. Let me just go to the page here. JPEG store. Enter to the store. My account. My orders. 23rd. So this is 25. I need to go to 28. 27. 27. 27. 27. 27. Scroll down to get. Okay, what? Just leave it that thing. What I'll do, I'll try to purchase a product speedily and verify is how can where we can find this particular order. Confirm. Okay, I'm getting this is my order number. So definitely I'm getting in this particular page I'm not getting in the confirm page. Okay, so let me just get this thing. Copy the thing. Now it's time to find this message. See, in the space, I have to get this hash. We can find it, and we have to capture this thing. This is the thing, we have to capture it. Copy the thing. Whole thing. Now web was say param lb equals to rb equals to last and now you can mention c order id order number. Okay, we can give this as the left boundary. Okay, I'll tell you one more function. Okay, so before that, so I can consider my right boundary as this thing. Okay, in this WebResay param, we have a function called slash diz. If your response itself it is changing, we can mention hash 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 hash. Save it, and now save it. Just a second, guys. Let me lb slash dig. Okay, what we can do? We can try running this once. Now let us find this particular value as well. The order number, did it capture or not? So here, see, it's capturing 7203 72304. And why this slash n is coming, let me just see. Okay, what we can do, we can put a slash n itself. Now we can copy this slash n, copy, paste, save. See, our even if the date will change, you don't have to worry. This will capture for sure. This is the slash n slash 2 0 2021. This will change even if, but still you'll be able to. Now let us save this thing and let me run this. Definitely it will capture it. Okay, okay, okay. What we'll do, as of now, not found equals to warning. Okay, this is one more attribute we can add when there is direct error, and we wanted to check. Okay, web, there is one more function called debug, lr debug message. So this is a very important function. Nowhere, no one can tell you about this much function. I challenge. I'm explaining a lot in detail, definitely. So what happens, from the server it captures all the thing. So whenever you don't get that exact boundaries, you can put this thing, copy this, paste it, save, and just before this, end it, switch on, switch off. Okay, save it. So now what is done in this extended log? Okay, in this extended log, what is the additional way you can do? You can just select this, return this is advanced trace. It will return everything from the server, but again the script will run longer. You wanted to experience this, I'll do this. So definitely we'll just stop it. As for showing a demo purpose, I am just explaining this way. So now you see it will take longer time than usual. Like how fast it was running, it will not run in that particular. It will start creating. So definitely still it ran, but whenever you are running in any other application, wherever it is load, definitely you cannot run this. This will give you a very, this will take much time to load. So I am not recommending use this particular function ls set debug message. We'll even see this thing. Okay, now what you can do, let us copy this thing as well. action, save it, and now compile it. There should not be any error. So first of all, we'll check this particular value, order number. See, this is the way you should achieve it. Like, and now what you can do, you can comment this thing whenever it is needed. You should put. It is not recommended to put every time, and it is never recommended to add this particular thing whenever you want to trace or any log. Then only you enable these two things, because it will take a longer time whenever there are multiple JS calls or images and all. It will take longer time. I think because of this website it is not taking longer time, but when we focus on different websites we'll get it. So we'll just read about this particular message as well as of now. Okay, just copy this message, enter. It will populate some of the results. This is the thing I was telling. Okay, sends a debug message to the log file. This is the log file which I am referring. Okay, message level. What is the message level you wanted to see? One of the message. See, log level, disabled, brief, and extended log. I had used this particular message class, lr message class underscore extended log. Anything you want, this will print in this particular fashion. This is the attribute you have to use in this particular thing. And once this thing is done, go to previous topic. Okay, still it is not coming. Enter it, and now you know that. We'll see an example. In the following example, lr debug message issues a message to the log when at least one of the extended log message flags is set. So this is a way, switch on, and now you have to switch off this thing. Or this is one more way, lr message class result data parameter operation failed. Okay, so now as we have captured the thing, here nothing is required. We'll just click this thing, paste it, save the thing, copy, paste, save, click order button. Okay, now what is the transaction name you have to give? Change the transaction number 9 and click account menu. We'll just see, click my accounts, click my account, save it. And now when you click this thing, what is the result you are getting? You are getting something, account information, profile information. Copy this thing, the text check we can put, and This will help us to pass. So now it's on the order page. Here what we are doing, we are selecting the order page, my orders. Copy this thing, okay. Here I have to check this order ID, what I have captured, order number, save it, quick orders, save it, copy this thing, save the thing, and now I put this logout in different action, and because this always remember v user init and v user end, which I have discussed in the previous class as well. This will run only once during the whole iteration. A whole, like whenever you are running it, it will be only run during the whole test. It will run only once. So if there is any opening or closing of a file you are doing, then you can do this in this init and end, or any database connection you wanted to establish you can do, or even you wanted to use some unique users, like you wanted to log in with unique users each time with the test data, then also you can do this thing. So now copy this thing, user end, paste everything. Now what is the text check we are getting, we have to do it. 10, save. Okay, now we have to confirm what we are getting after sign out. When we do sign out, what is the page we are getting? Again, we are getting this page, and we have to find out what is the unique page, unique thing. So various breeds. You can just copy this thing and paste it here. Save it. Let me run it once. First compile it. It should not capture any errors, and run it. See, we had made a we made a successful script, and it is fully dynamic script. You can use it anytime. Let me just capture this thing. Empty 2308. So here what we have to do, we have to find out whenever we wanted to run with multiple iteration. Copy this card visa type, card type, and save. I'll explain each and everything here as well. So I'll just edit the number, open this, and wanted to run for multiple iteration as well. So so here I wanted to pass US India. It's a dummy website, so you don't need to matter. This is maybe, what is that? Australia, and you can mention Canada. So we have test parameter as 4. I'll explain each and every time. Go to runtime setting, run logic, and here it has a features where it provides you can run this particular script for multiple iteration with different test parameter, different test data. So I'm giving allocating as 4. So now, and I'll explain this as well. uh, and now I wanted to run a visa. This is also I'll explain. I don't want to give this thing and save it. And here I have to give some meaningful name, rename the action, JPEG, store, purchase, product. This is the purchase product scenario. We have changed, saved it, and now we have to run for 4 iteration. 4 iteration, like it will simulate 4 different users. Save it and run it. Let us just wait for 4 iteration. If everything is running fine or not, we'll remove this text check. Is waiting in this particular thing because it has to search that particular text check here. So that's the reason it is finding out, and that's the reason we have to do also. This is the proper way, because if that particular order number is not found out in the order page, it's not relevant and not exactly correct script we have done. So only there might be only problem in this particular request itself or this particular page. So so we'll just wait for. See, one thing I wanted to make you notice is, right, this particular iteration only it is running 4 times. It is not going. Whenever I'll show in the result summary, this will run for 1 time, and at last it will run for user end will run for 1 time, and rest this action will have four times. See, launch sign in button, login button is run for one time, and but in performance center it will take a different single users. When you put as unique, it will give allocate one users and it will run for one time. So again you saw this the graph, it is telling us for 4 iteration it took only 8.859 milliseconds. It is very quick. So if you hover this, you can see for iteration 1.203, 231, 218, and so this is the ran for 4 iteration. Now it's time to check 4 different number order ID. So first order ID 72309, 72310, 72311,